Presenting Preethi's electric pressure cooker. Preeti electric pressure cooker has two models, touch and twist, and it has a power consumption capacity of 900 watts. Here's a look at the kit. Preeti electric pressure cooker comes with an instruction manual. The cooking unit consists of a stainless steel top lid with a heat-proof handle. The top lid has two important valves that determine the pressure. A movable pressure valve that lets out steam and a red-colored button called bobber valve that indicates pressure buildup. The inside of the top lid is sealed with a silica gasket and has an outlet for the excess steam to escape. The bottom cooking pan is made of non-stick aluminum. The outer body is made of rust-proof material. On the side of the body, positioned just below the pressure valves, there is a dual collector made of translucent plastic that collects excess water. In case of the touch variant, choose your menu by pressing on the various options given on the button panel. In the twist variant, turn the central knob to choose your option. The kit comes with a measuring cup, a plastic ladle, and a detachable power cord. The assembling is pretty simple. Place the cooking pan inside the cooker. Cover it with the lid, turn it anti-clockwise and lock it. And turn on the pressure valve. Now the pressure cooker is ready to be used. There is a pressure valve that looks like a whistle and a red-colored bobber valve that looks like a button. After closing the cooker with the lid, the pressure valve should be locked by moving it as shown. During the cooking process, the bobber valve pops up, indicating pressure buildup, and it comes back to its original position automatically only after completion of cooking process. The magnetic lock works in tandem with bobber valve and prevents the lid from opening during the cooking process. The bottom cooker has a cooking pan, and the cooking happens inside this pan only. The cooker has an inbuilt thermostat which controls the temperature and regulates the flow of heat as required for the cooking. And then there is a thermal fuse inside that protects the cooker in case of voltage mishaps. Once the lid is firmly locked to the body, the pressure switches are in contact and the cooking process starts. The button panel also has three texture options: coarse, medium, and well done. This is for the user to choose the preferred nature of the finally cooked food. If left unchosen, the cooker is set in medium mode. In case one wants the rice to be sticky or mashed, then they can choose the well done option. Suppose the user prefers the food semi-cooked or hard, then the coarse mode can be used. Once the lid is locked and pressure valve is moved, the pressure starts setting in. While this is on, the digital display does not show any number. Only after the pressure sets in fully and the bobber valve pops up, the digital display starts displaying the time taken to cook. The display starts counting down as the cooking is in progress and reaches 0 once the cooking is done. After the display reads OH, release the pressure valve and open the lid. Now moving to the timer. Normally it can be set for a minimum time of 2 hours to a maximum time of 24 hours. Setting the timer gives you the freedom to attend to your other chores. The cooker cooks the food depending on the ingredients and stops automatically on completion. On completion, the cooked food remains warm inside. In case one wants to cook something really fast, then the on-demand pressure option can be exercised. In this option, the timer can be set anywhere from 1 minute to 60 minutes. This option is available only for closed cooking. When cooking is the only job on hand, or when one wants to make a quick dish or heat something that's gone cold, on-demand pressure is the right option. Electric pressure cooker gives you freedom from whistle, a standard fixture and non-electric pressure cookers. Once the ingredients are added and the menu option is chosen, you can coolly forget about it and move on to do other jobs. The cooker does the rest automatically. With Preeti electric pressure cooker, open cooking and closed cooking options are possible. Open cooking allows you to add ingredients one by one and stir the contents for a while before you close the lid and wait for the completion of the cooking process. In closed cooking, all ingredients are added at the same time and the cooker is closed right in the beginning. Then wait for the cooking to get over. Cooking demo using touch. Making vegetable biryani using Preeti electric pressure cooker's touch variant. To begin with, set the pressure cooker in biryani cooking mode by pressing the pulao or biryani button on the button panel. Add 5 teaspoons of oil into the cooking pan, followed by the necessary spices like cinnamon, clove, bay leaf, etc. Add some mint leaves. Before adding vegetables, saute the spices gently. Now add the vegetables like onion, carrot, beans, tomatoes and green chilies. Mix the vegetables well and then add green peas. Mix these well and gently cook them before adding other ingredients. Now add soaked meal maker into this mix. Meal maker is readily available in the market. Stir it. Add salt for taste. Then add ginger garlic paste and mix the ingredients well. Add chili powder and continue stirring. Add water, followed by pre-soaked basmati rice. For 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cups of water should be added. Following this proportion, add 3 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. Add 2 spoons of curd. This completes the list of ingredients to be added into the pan. Stir them well and blend them thoroughly. Close the lid and wait for biryani to be made. Once the lid is locked and pressure valve is moved, the pressure starts setting in. While this is on, the digital display does not show any number. Only after the pressure sets in fully and the bobber valve pops up, the digital display starts displaying the time taken to cook. The display starts counting down as the cooking is in progress and reaches 0 once the cooking is done. After the display reads OH, release the pressure valve and open the lid. You can see the biryani cooked and ready to be served.